Hello everyone, this is Vinay here from Learn Coding with Vinay again, and we are into the video number 29 of our series where we are building movie rating application using ASP.NET Core MVC, Micro RM Dapper, and ChatGPT as our coding assistant. Right. So in the previous video, we worked on the list, content list. Right. So in this video, we will work on the detail of the content. So I have prepared the prompt in the background. Let me bring that over here. So I hope you can see it, but let me read out that let's work on content details page now. Here is what I want. Display content details just like we did in edit page, right? So first section would be content details. In the next section, we have two columns, languages and actor details. And since this time we want to we want to list more details. So we'll be also be displaying ratings if available for movie. Display cast rating for the movie if available, and let's have only single stored procedure that returns multiple results. We don't want to call database multiple time, we just want to call a one stored procedure that will give us this result set, right? So let me push this to ChatGPT and move ahead from there. So let's push this and wait for ChatGPT's response. So let's go through, what ChatGPT has generated. So it has generated the response in nice, the same manner what we wanted. It has generated stored procedures, VM, interface, and repository, dependency injection. Okay, great. Controller code and the razor view. So now let's implement it. So let's start with the stored procedure first. So let me copy the stored procedure and go to SSMS. We'll delete whatever we had over here. And I hope that we don't have to change too many names this time. Let's see. So this is the store procedure number one. Okay, so it has used image over here. It should be poster. First thing is that it should be poster, right? Then what just happened? Okay, let's wait. Let me say Control Z. I think I okay, yeah, poster. So let me do these changes in the background actually. So I corrected the column names and ran this. It ran successfully, but let's try to run this because some error it might give at runtime only. Okay, it needs one content ID. Okay, great. So this is coming great, right? Okay, so SP looks good now. Let's move to the next. Let me create this VM, yeah, in the background and come back. I just created the VMs. Let's move to the next one. So interface okay, in the interface, let's content repository interface put down this method. So we have it over here. Let me just put it down. Copy paste. Okay, now let's move to the next. Now actual method. So let's copy these, go to our content repository, go to and let's copy paste these, change the first line to something like this and make this con. Right, so this is good. Now let's move to the next one. Dependencies, and we have this in place in our program.cs, so no need to do any change. Now we need to have the controller code, content details. Okay, let me take this and let me put it in content controller. So we have it over somewhere over here, content controller. Okay, I'll go to and let's say content details. Okay, this has to be replaced with this. Okay, let's move to the next step. Okay, now the razor view. Let's take a look at it first. So we have so many details on section 1. Mhm. No, it didn't give us the actor list and or language list actually. But let's as of now, copy paste this and we'll amend it later. And let's have it in details, content details view. So we are here. No, not here. I'll have to go over here, content details. Yeah, I'll just copy paste it over here. So this is good. Now let me correct the names first. Let me remove these. Let me remove this. We should have this. Okay, great. So this is content details. Okay. Now we have genre name. That's okay. Image. No. Here we have poster, and it should be from img content slash. Oh, we don't have poster. Okay, let me see. What we did in the store procedure, that we'll have to take carry. Poster, yeah. Okay, so we copy pasted the VM as it is. That's why it must have the image instead of image. Let's have this as poster. Instead of description, let's have this as sort desc. And these are a couple of changes that we need to make. Okay, let's go to now. This is good. This will work. Now content and description. This should be sort desc. Rest look good. Rest looks good. Short. Okay, let's see the next step. I hope it should be just the running now. Okay, so let's run this and see the output. Okay, let's see what do we have. Okay, let's take this horror too, only because we have ratings over there only. Okay, so we are good over here. Let me click. Okay, ratings are coming good. Cast highlights is also coming good. Okay, but images are not displayed. That is because we missed the forward slash over here, and we must have missed it same. So let me make this img slash here. It will be cast. Let's refresh it and see. Okay, it is loading. Yeah, so it has loaded. Yeah, great. We have two ratings for this. We have two ratings for this, two ratings for this guy. Okay, so this is the cast highlights. Okay, that's it. But we missed to tell, in the add screen we had languages and cast also, right? So we should display them after this first section. So let's inform this to ChatGPT. Sorry, I missed to tell that we need content and language and content cast details as well. Just like we had in edit screen. Let's wait. So let's see. ChatGPT has given us the code. Let's go one by one. So let's edit this stored procedure first. So instead here we will have this over here, and we will have now we have five things. First is the language, fourth and five. Okay. So this is two. This will be four, and this will be five. Now let's just run this. Okay, this is something we don't want. Now let me run this once from the back end itself if it is working. So we have the language, great. We have the caste, great. And we have the average rating of the caste. Okay, rating count. Okay, good. I think this is good. So let's make the rest of the changes. So here we have the content language VM and content cast. Let me copy paste this. We might have this duplicate, but let's, as of now, for a quick solution, let's do this. So I'll go to content VM. I'll copy paste it over here. I think we should have it, but let's see. It gave us error for content cast VM. We already have this, so I'm not going to take this. Okay. And what about this content language VM? We don't have this. That is surprising. Let's take a quick look at content language edit VM. Yeah, so we had content language edit VM. So let utilize it. So what we will be doing, instead of the content language VM, we'll have this. Oh no, actually we don't need this now, right? So what do we need to do? We'll go down. Then it might have specified two properties in the parent. Yeah, over here. So let me take these. Let me put it over here, and this will be content language edit VM. Edit VM. Okay, so let's move to the next now. Next change. We don't have any change over here. We will have to use this, right? And actually, yeah, that's fine. So we'll go to content repository. Here we'll make it edit VM, and this looks good, right? Now in the razor view, now major change will be in the razor view. So once we display this, we need to display these two. So let me go to razor view. After first section, after first this, let me have this, and let me also have HR, over here. So this is image or cast name. Okay, what is the problem over here? So casts. Okay, let me see what do we have it in casts. Cast ID and content role ID. We have just cast ID and content role ID. Okay, so this is not the one we are looking for actually. Let's say content cast VM, content cast edit VM. It should be, yeah, it should be content cast edit VM, not this one. Let's go to repository and fix that also. Mm, content. Let me close this dashboard. Content repository. Yeah, okay. So we will have to go over here and we'll have to assign this. And let's go over here, and yeah, this is good. Now let's go to, oh my god, let me remove this. Let me go to now the content details razor page. Okay, now the error seems to be here, gone, right? And let me just correct this. This will be 4 and this will be 5. Okay, great. Let me save this and run this. Okay, so I have ran the application. Let's see. Let's go to horror from here. Let's go to any one of these. Okay, so now it is displaying languages, cast role. Okay, we are missing the image over here. Let me correct that. Okay, so it is over here. Yeah. So it will be it's forward slash img slash cast again. Let's save it and see the change. Okay, so we see the cast, but I want to make it very small actually. Let's have this width as 25 and h as 25 only. We don't want it big. Oh, that's not good. Okay, so let me keep this. Let me make the car itself small, height to 50% only. Let's say how does it look like. Okay, this is also too big, but let me width also overall take 50 only. We don't need big images over here basically. Okay, so let me make this 25 and 25 actually. It is not making any difference because this is call. Let me make this call md 3 instead of 3. Let me make this call md 2 only. That probably will shrink it. No, it didn't. That's okay. Let's keep it as of now. So we have the cast highlighting. We have the cast. Oh no, I was looking at the wrong. Yeah, so this is what we need. Okay, so let me make it 3. It was changing actually in the background, but we had a duplicate section, right? So we had similar section, this also, and we had this also. Ideally, this would be with the rating, right? Rating for this. So this is good, I think. Yeah, because yeah, we'll need this both section, because if some actor or some cast is not rated, that guy will not appear over here, but that guy will appear on the list, full list over here. Right, so this is good. So let me make this at least 50 now. 50. Yeah, so this is good. This looks good. And let me make the image also actually, height make me 50% only, and width make me 50%. Let's see what happens actually if we do this. We don't want big images basically. That's what the point is. Mhm. It is not looking good. Okay, so let me keep this as of now. So these will be actually all cast and roles, and these are the ratings. This is the user rating, and this is the uh, okay. I think we should have user rating. Then we should have user name also. Let me see if we can bring that. Let me quickly look at it in the background. So we are bringing actually the name in the rating section, but why? Why? Let me see. We are not displaying it or what? Cast name. Okay, it has to be just name. Hmm. Now this is good. We are talking about ratings, right? So this is username. Okay, this should be name only. And in this, oh no, it has cast name. Okay, so what we'll have to do? Let this be cast name. No, this is username. Let's see, where do we have this? So this is username. Okay, user rating. We'll have to make this name only, right? Because it was not getting assigned from the database. We'll make this name also. Save this. and this it should be good now. Let's see. I just had to rerun the application because it crashed. So let me go to details, cast and roll. Okay, so this looks good. Now we have the username also. So we have only 2 ratings from the admin itself. I'd say that is good. Okay, so this is good. This looks good. So that's it in this video. In the next video, what we will be doing, we will display if whether if the user has already logged in, then we should and already rated, then it should display the rating of that particular user, right? That you rated this much to this thing, right? If not, then we will have to have controls that can allow user to rate. So basically a drop down for rate and a text box for comments, right? And maybe go or submit button that will push the user ratings for the movie and for each actor as well, right? So we'll plan out in next video. So thanks a lot for watching this video. See you in the next video.